Hi, this is Tammy at All About Living, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to our family. Tonight we're going to be making vanilla extract. It's really simple. All you need is some vanilla beans, and I prefer the Madagascar beans because they tend to have a smokier flavor, and they just make really good vanilla extract. I used to use these dark, this is actually an old Kahlua bottle, and I just popped the cork in it, and that has served me for years and years. Okay. The other day, my stepmom says, well, you don't need to use amber. You don't need to use amber. You can just put it in a regular mason jar and it'll be fine. So, we're going to do that because I got plenty of mason jars and I don't have any amber. And my in-laws asked me to make them some vanilla. So, we're just going to go ahead and do it in the little 8-ounce jelly jars and just pop a lid on it. And we're going to be good to go. So, we're going to get started. Whoops. You need about 1 ounce of beans per 8 ounces of alcohol, and I'm going to just guesstimate that that's probably about 5 beans, and then we're just going to cut those beans into like little 1/2 inch. Oops. No need to get technical, just snip them off and drop them in the jar. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5. Snip this. Oops. One got away. There we go. And I'm actually going to make 2 kinds of extract. I'm going to make 2 vanilla, just straight vanilla, and then I'm going to make 1 spiced vanilla. And all you need to do that is a little bit of spiced rum. So since we're only going to do 1 of those, let's go ahead and just drop that right in there. And you don't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be exactly 8 ounces. I mean, I'm just going to fill to the bottom line. I'm going to put a cap, and I'm going to go like that, and you're done. In about 8 weeks, you will have perfectly wonderful, spicy vanilla extract that you can use like in spice cakes, fruit cakes, rum cakes, anything where you want a little extra kick to that vanilla. There you go. Alright, these 2, just straight up, you just need anything from 70 to 90 proof on the rum and the vodka. You need, it needs to be between 70 and 90 proof, to work. And we're just going to fill those glasses. Right to the bottom of the rim. There we go. Open that up. Put us a lid. And give them a little shake. Just to get the juices flowing in there. And then they need to be put in a dark, cool place. So the back of your cupboard. And then in 8 weeks, I will have vanilla for me and 1 to share. That's it. You guys have a great night.